The topic of today's video is how to transfer USDT from crypto.com to another wallet. So here I am in Phantom Wallet, and all I'm going to do here is just get my wallet address. So I'm going to click and receive. It's going to be different for whatever wallet you are in. And let's just copy our wallet address. And now we're jumping into crypto.com, and we're going to go to accounts on the bottom left here. And we're going to say crypto. And then we're going to click on transfer and withdraw, and we'll say external wallet. Now, if your wallet address isn't here already, what you want to do is click on the plus on the top right hand side, and we'll click on wallet address. And here we're going to select our cryptocurrency. So it's USD Tether or Tether USDT. Okay, here I see I only have options for Ethereum and Kronos. I hope the screen will actually show here. It should. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly jump back to Phantom Wallet and get the proper wallet address and paste it. There we go. So make sure you've selected your network and then also name your wallet. And then we're just going to hit continue. And now what you can do is you can click on your new wallet address over here. And you just need to confirm and withdraw. And over here, all you'll do is you'll put in the amount of USDT in either your currency or in USDT that you want to withdraw. You'll click confirm, and on the next screen over, you will get a review and you'll click confirm again. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.